Ready to unlock the secrets behind your Google Ads conversions and see exactly which clicks turn into customers? First, hop into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Tools and Settings section, usually found with a wrench icon, then click on Conversions under Measurement. Next, it's time to create a new conversion action. Click the plus button. Now you have options for different conversion types. You can choose website if you want to track actions happening on your website like purchases or signups. Select website as your tracking source. A new page will appear with a list of conversion actions. Then, choose the type of action you want to track by selecting one of the options from the list, such as a purchase, signup, or contact. Now, carefully fill in the details. Name your conversion action something descriptive that you'll remember. Configure the value for each conversion, like a purchase value. Select your desired count settings and choose the appropriate conversion window. Now it's time to connect to Google Tag Manager. In your Google Ads account, after you save your conversion details, Google Ads will show you the global site tag and event snippet there, like the secret ingredients to tell Google Ads what's happening on your website. Head over to Google Tag Manager. You'll need to create a new tag. Select the Google Ads Conversion Tracking tag. In tag configuration, paste your conversion ID and conversion label from the snippet from the Google Ads Conversion Tracking settings. From there, you will need to select a trigger depending on the action being tracked, such as a page view or a custom event for things like a form submission. Save your tag and then submit your changes to publish them, and you're done. You should now have your conversion tracking set up. You can monitor your conversions in Google Ads and use the data to optimize your advertising efforts. This data is crucial to maximize your return on investment. Happy tracking!